Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. My son loves drawing, and so I like making sure he has sketchbooks so he can always use this creative outlet. This pack of 3 by DSTELIN has been really nice for him. He has really enjoyed them. The quality of the paper is very good. It's thick and really good for sketching on. I love the size of these. They're not 8.5 by 11, the full sheets. They're 7.5 by about 5 inches. And so it fits in his little pencil case perfect. So he has everything he needs to sketch easy in this case, and he can carry it around, and it's always with him. Another really great thing about these is they are spiral bound, so you can completely fold the notebook onto itself. So you have easy access to all 4 corners of the page when you're sketching, and you don't have to worry about your hand bumping the other sheet. My son has thoroughly enjoyed these, and I love knowing that he has sketchbooks to be able to sketch all the time. I love seeing him being creative. There's 50 pages in each of them, so 100 sheets total on either side. So he is set for a while since it comes as a set of 3. Highly recommend these. He has loved having them, and I will definitely order these again when he runs out. And that's my point of view.